orthographic projection, you have to draw front view, then you have to draw right hand side view, and you have to draw top view. Okay, dimensions are given here. Now if I show you the 3D model, in the front view what you will be able to see, this portion you will be able to see, this will be the second portion, third portion and fourth portion, and if I rotate this will be fifth portion. So this will be visible in the front view. What will not be visible in the front view? क्या नहीं दिखेगा? This hole is not visible, right? So if I show you the front view, here you will get the hidden line. One more thing, और क्या hidden रहेगा? This edge and this edge, both these edges will also be hidden in the front view. Okay, and the whatever the hole is there in between, that will be till this. So if I show you the solution of the front view, this will be the solution of the front view. Okay, then next will be top view. अभी top view कैसे दिखेगा? So if I show you the top view, okay, in top view what will be visible? This portion will be visible, same way on back side, this one, then this portion, this portion, this one, ये whatever blue is there, all these things will be visible. So if I show you the top view में इतना सब दिख रहा है. Top view में क्या दिख नहीं रहा है वो देखो अभी. First will be this hole will be throughout. Okay, it is not visible in the top view. At the same time ये hole के नीचे ही देखो ये एक edge है. So in the top view you will see 3 hidden lines. This is one hidden line, this is second hidden line, this is third hidden line. तो यहाँ पे center line नहीं आएगा, instead of center line there will be hidden line. Okay, next, exactly below this rib you can see this edge is there. So if I show you the top view, ये rib के बीच में से भी hidden line जाने वाला है इतने portion में. Okay, next, these 4 edges are there. Edge number 1, edge number 2, then edge number 3 and edge number 4. These 4 edges will also be shown as hidden lines in the top view. Okay, so top view में these 4 edges, then this one 5, then 6, 7, 8. Okay, then next we will see side view. Now in case of side view, we are looking at which side view? Right hand side, means this will be visible, this will be visible, then this will be visible. ये line AutoCAD SolidWorks में आता है, this will not be there, this is not there in the question. Okay, यहाँ पे lines नहीं है, so that part we are going to ignore, and ये वाला portion, then rib का ये portion. Now if I show you the right hand side view, कि ये hang हो गया. So in case of side view, in case of side view क्या क्या visible रहेगा वो मैंने बताया. What will be invisible then? This hole is invisible in the side view, this hole is invisible, then this edge is invisible. If I show you the right hand side view, here you can see इधर से इधर कुछ नहीं है, इसके अलावा only hidden line is there. Okay, so in case of side view, here you will get hidden line. Okay, then this rib will also be hidden in case of side view. ये rib को touch किया. So side view में this rib will also be hidden. Okay, now see how you are going to draw this. So already in AutoCAD I have inserted the image of the question. Okay, question का जो image है ये यहाँ पे मैंने insert करके रखा है. I have created all the layers. I have created XY line, X1, Y1 line, and offset is also done. Okay, now what is the largest length of this drawing? 25 plus 55 plus 20 plus this radius 20. तो total length कितना calculate किया हम लोगों ने? 120. Then same way, what is the height? Height is 15 plus 30. ये साइड में दिया देखो 30 and then 20. So total height कितना है? 70. And the width it is directly visible in the side view. कितना दिया है? 60. So in the front view, see which views we have to draw? Front view, top view and right hand side view. Right hand side view will be drawn on which side? Left side, means front view will be drawn here. तो front view का rectangle first we will draw. Simply we will select projection layer, REC, enter. Length, so at the rate length is towards right 120 positive, comma height is upward, height is 70. So I will draw first front view rectangle, then second rectangle, REC, enter. From this point at the rate, length is same, length कितना है 120, comma width कितना है, width is 60, तो it is downward ना, तो minus 60, enter. Then once this is done, I need to draw here 45-degree line. Now 45-degree line with respect to positive x-axis, it will be 90 plus 90, 180 हुआ, 180 plus 45 कितना रहेगा 225 ना. So L, enter. From this point I will take any random rate at the rate 150, angle कितना रहेगा 225, enter. So I have got this line. Now what I will do, I will just check the angle whether it is 45 degree. It is 45 degree, so we have drawn it properly. Then simply L, enter, and then take simply the projections. No need to draw the rectangle separately in the side view. You can even take projection. ये देखो rectangle बन गया यहाँ पे. Then simply trim this, TR, double enter. इतना portion trim नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा, ऐसे भी रख सकते हो आप. Is it clear? Okay, now once this is drawn, we will start with the front view. Now when you see the front view, if I start from right side, what is the height given here? 15. So 15 will be there, and after 15, from this point to this point 21 height is there. So from bottom to top 15 plus 21 कितना हुआ 20, 35, 36, right? So one more method which you can do is simply on the bottom side we have the length and height of the rectangle ना. So bottom rectangle you can draw. What is the length of the rectangle? 55 plus 25 कितना हुआ 50, 60, 70, 80. So 80 by 20 का rectangle. So R, first select the outline layer, REC, enter. From this point towards left side जाना है तो माइनस, माइनस कैसा रहेगा माइनस कितना डिस्टेंस है x में 80. So minus 80, comma height कितना था 20, height is upward, so plus 20, enter. So first rectangle I have drawn. Then from this point upward direction में कितना length है 21. So L, enter. From here I will move upward, ऊपर के तरफ कर्सर किया 21, enter किया. I have reached here. अभी इधर से लेफ्ट में जाना है. लेफ्ट में from this point, see here you can see in the top view 25 radius is given. तो 25 plus 25 कितना हुआ 50. So left side simply I will keep the cursor 50, enter. आ गए यहाँ पे. Okay, then नीचे कितना जाना है देखो. Total height is how much 21 and this is 10. तो कितना नीचे आना है 11. So cursor को नीचे करो, 11 से नीचे आना है. Then from here towards left side, if I want to move till this point, ये जो point है यहाँ तक, ये point का distance कैसे पता चलेगा देखो. Total this distance is 80, from this point to this point distance is 80, and then this one is 50. तो कितना आया 30, and 30 में से ये 20 है, तो इधर से इधर तक बीच का distance कितना रहेगा 10. तो basically from this point I will move towards left 30. तो इधर से left में जाना कितना है 30, enter. So I have reached here. Okay, now next is I will press escape if required. यहाँ से हम लोग escape press करेंगे. अभी ये नीचे का 20 वाला लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो L, enter. From here I will move in left towards left side. What will be the distance 20, enter. So I have reached here. Now see, from this point to the center of the circle, what is the distance 30. So what I will do, I will take a projection layer and from this point I will move in upward direction, और ये distance कितना रहेगा 30, enter. Now I will draw these two circles. कौन सा दो circle? Outer circle whose radius is 20 and inner circle whose diameter is 10. मतलब radius is diameter is 20, मतलब radius is 10. So outer radius 20, inner radius 10. So select outline, C, enter. From this point outer radius 20. Here you can see automatically it touches the box of the front view, means our drawing is correct. And then again press spacebar because last command was circle. Then this is the center and radius is how much 10. Okay, then simply here you can observe from this point to upward we have a tangent. So L, enter. From this point I will draw a vertical line till I get a tangent or quadrant. ये case में quadrant मिल रहा है, I will stop here. Then this also line I have to join, so L enter, from here to this point I will join, and then TR double enter and trim this portion in between. Okay, so this much portion I have completed, right? What is remaining now? Rib is remaining. So understand how to draw the rib. Now see, from this point, the rib is inside by how many distance? How much distance? 20. So in order to mark that distance, I will take projection layer, L enter, from here towards right, 20 enter. I have got this point. Then outline, click on line. From here I will start the line and till where I will move? Tangent. So I have to search tangent over here. Here you can see the symbol of tangent. It is written also tangent. So I will stop over here. Okay. Anything else? So whatever the hidden line is remaining of this hole, that first we will do the draw the top view, and then by taking the projection from the top view we will complete this part. Which part? See, I will show you. In the front view, some hidden lines are remaining, na? So this portion, then this hidden line, and this part, this we will take the projections either from side view, okay, or top view, and then we will complete. So this much portion first you can complete. See, now we will start with the top view. Front view is not totally complete, huh? So we will draw the top view and some portion of the front view again we will come back and complete. Now before we start the drawing, make sure that ortho mode is on. Unless and until ortho mode is on, you won't get proper horizontal and vertical lines. This I had explained in previous session also. Okay, now see, I'll show you the main diagram. If you see this main diagram, here you can observe. If you see from the top view, here you will find a rectangle. That rectangle, what is the width? Width of that rectangle, if you see the question, width of the rectangle is 60 and length of the rectangle is how much? 80. So simply, first what I will do, I will draw a horizontal center line throughout in the top view. So center, select line, from here I will get a triangle and I will track that center point and then I will draw a center line over here like this. Slightly it will be outside of the top view. Then once this is drawn, I will draw this outer rectangle. What is the length of the rectangle? 80. What is the width of the rectangle? 60. So I will select outline layer, REC, enter. From this point I will start in left direction. So at the rate minus 80 comma vertically distance is 60, enter. Directly you can get a rectangle like this. Or second option, I won't do it like this. I know that this rectangle will end over here. End over here, iska matlab ye wala point. So simply I will take the projection from the front view. That is why it is called orthographic projection. So this projection I have taken. Now no need to take any dimension. Simply select outline, click on rectangle and draw a rectangle from this point to this point. Automatically it will be 80 by 60 rectangle. Second thing, if you see this drawing, this dimension, this length in the question, it is given as how much? 35. And if you see the length of this cylindrical part, that is also 35, no? So basically it is throughout this distance, the width is 35 only. So from this point till the end, I will get one more rectangle. Now how much distance this rectangle is inside? Or you can say from this portion, idhar se kitna hai? What is this distance? How you will find this? Total is 60 and 60 minus 35. Kitna bacha? 25. So 25 divided by 2 means this is 12.5 and this is 12.5. Okay, so what I will do, understand. I will select projection layer, line. From here I will move in upward direction by how much distance? 12.5, enter. I have reached here. Then simply from here I have to draw a rectangle. So I will select an outline. Rectangle will start from here and it will end over here. Okay, and what is the height of the rectangle? 35. So REC, enter. This is the first point of the rectangle. At the rate, this length will be how much? Total length is how much? We have calculated, na? 120. So minus 120, comma, height is 35, enter. So I've got this one. Now see, in the top view, if I observe from the top side, this cylinder will have two hidden lines, and this edge has one hidden line. So in the top view, I will get three hidden lines. Okay, how I will draw these three hidden lines? Simply I will take projection. देखो अभी क्या करना है? Projection layer. From this point I will draw a projection like this. Space bar. From this point projection, and then again from this point projection. Then simply go to hidden layer, line. From here I will draw one hidden line, then second hidden line, and then third hidden line. So this I have completed. Is it clear? अभी देखो नेक्स्ट क्या बाकी है. सेंटर में देर इज सम होल, राइट? व्हाट इज द diameter of the hole? 20. Radius 10. So outline, C, enter. Now I need center of this, right? So before this we will go to center layer and 50 ka center. So I will select the center line, and 50 ka center means I will get a triangle here, and from here I will draw a center line like this. Okay, then again go back to outline, C, enter, and then from this point, what is the radius? 10. So 10, enter, inner circle. Then you observe, what is this radius? 25. So C, enter. From this point radius is 25, enter. Trim the outside portion, TR, double enter. Trim this portion, this and this portion. Now once this is done, I can complete which view? Front view. Why? Because in the front view here you can see this portion was there, na, small rectangle. So I can now take the projection. See, I will go to projection layer, line. From here I will take a projection in upward direction. From here also I will take a projection in upward direction, and then see how it looks like. If I show you the front view, here you can see a one small rectangle is there, no? And this side also, both side. So select outline, L, enter, complete this part, and then I don't know the reference, no? So I am taking the reference. Later on I will delete that line, backside line. Okay, and then delete this. Is it clear? So see, I told you na before, no need to complete for one view in a single way. Okay, in one drawing. So we can draw the top view, then we can take the projection. Now see, one more thing which I can do is I can take projection of this inner hole, na? Okay, but before that we will draw the horizontal line. हाँ ठीक है, ये भी साइड व्यू से मिलेगा. So for now we will not draw this hole in the front view. Okay, now anything else? यहाँ पे भी 4 hidden holes आते हैं ना, वो भी हम लोग बाद में ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो अभी क्या क्या बाकी है? हाँ, rib is remaining ना, this rib is remaining. So see how now this is the most important part, rib. Everyone pay attention on the rib. So what I will do, select projection layer. I will take projection from this point like this. What is the size of the rib? 10 है ना? So from here I will select outline, L, enter. From here what is the height? 5. Then see, ये डायरेक्ट मूव नहीं करना है, अभी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन आने वाला है रिब का. What I will do, understand. I will go to projection layer, L, enter. I will find here where is the tangent. That tangent will be actually end point now, represented by a square. This I will click and I will take this reference over here. Till here rib will be there. Huh? You have to be careful. So now again I will go to outline, L, enter. I have already drawn this one. So from here I will move till this point. This will be the rib. Same way from this point I will move in downward direction by 5. L, enter. From here 5, enter, and then from here till this point. Now see, still the rib is not completed. Why? Understand, this is the new part which I have not explained you before. Now see, whenever we have drawing like this, where a rib is getting connected to a circular cylindrical part, there we get a curve of intersection. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, can you see a curve? That is called curve of intersection. So I need to draw a arc for that. So how I will draw, understand. See, wherever rib gets ended, यहाँ पे rib end हो गया ना, so I will go to outline should be there. I will go to arc command and I will select start center end. Okay, now whenever I draw an arc using AutoCAD, that comes in anti-clockwise direction. तो ऊपर का आर्क ड्रॉ नहीं करना है, ऊपर का आर्क ड्रॉ किया तो ये ऐसे नीचे आएगा. So I will draw this arc which will be there like this and then I will mirror it on top side. तो देखो कैसे करना है. This is the start. This is the, एक मिनट, start. See, I am in arc. I am selecting start center end. This is start. This is center. And somewhere over here there will be an end. Like this arc you will draw and then ये arc को mirror करके ऊपर लेके जाना है. Both should look symmetric. Okay, तो mirror कैसे करना है? MI enter, select object, enter, select mirror line and click no. Like this you have to draw the rib. Are you understanding ये curve क्यों आया है? See, in case of rib, whenever or any structure, whenever there is a rectangular plane or surface intersecting with a curved surface, there you will get a curve of intersection wherever there is intersection. तो वो intersection बताने के लिए यहाँ पे दो curves draw करना होता है and both the curves should be same. तो एक curve draw करना है, दूसरा mirror से आएगा. Is it clear? Okay, now the remaining part, these hidden lines, okay, we will complete once we complete the side view. Okay, so you can start the drawing. Now see, everyone pay attention. We will start with the side view. In case of side view, first we will see this portion, na? So we will start from this portion. Now what is the height of this one? 15. So in front view itself I will draw that, because side view may also I can do that, but it will become difficult. So what is that height? 15. So from here 15 height I will draw a hidden line, hidden layer from this point to this point. किधर तक आएगा? Till here. Hidden line will be there, and at the same time I will take the projection from the inner hole. From this hole also I will take the projection till this point. Okay, then after that I will again select hidden, and from here I can draw this line and this line. समझ में आया? Now that front view is completed. Okay, next coming to the side view. Side view में what I can do, I can first draw a center line. Okay, now the issue is this line is, see, इतना बड़ा line है ना, तो इसका सेंटर यहाँ पे कहीं पे तो मिलेगा, बट मेरे को इसका सेंटर नहीं चाहिए. I want center of side view. So I will redraw a line over here again so that I can get the center. Okay, L enter, from this point to this point I have redrawn the line, and I will go to center layer and I will draw a center line. Okay, next, see, if I observe the side view, from this point I will move up, right? तो ऊपर कितना जाना है? Simply I have to take the projection of this point ना. ये point मतलब कौन सा है? ये वाला point है, right? So L enter, projection layer, L enter. From here I will take a projection like this. Okay, now outline, L enter. From this point I will move in upward direction like this, and from this point also I will move in upward direction. Now center, if you observe the center, this internal distance from this corner to this corner is 30. Okay, so what I can do, I can select projection layer. Okay, or else I will select outline only. L enter. From here 15 distance, enter. Okay, इधर से अब कहाँ पे ज्वाइन करना है? हाँ, तो वो ऊपर वाला लाइन, सी दिस लाइन इज एट 15, राइट? तो ये 15 वाले लाइन का भी प्रोजेक्शन लेके आना पड़ेगा मेरे को. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, L एंटर, सिलेक्ट द प्रोजेक्शन लेयर, और ये पॉइंट का भी प्रोजेक्शन लेके मैं इधर आ रहा हूँ. ठीक है, हॉरिजॉन्टली आई हैव ड्रॉन द प्रोजेक्शन ओवर हियर. नाउ सी व्हाट नेक्स्ट आई विल डू, ऊपर का डिस्टेंस कितना है? इफ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस डिस्टेंस, दिस इज 50 ना, मीन्स फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, सेंटर लाइन का ये पॉइंट से लेके ये एंड तक कितना डिस्टेंस आएगा? 25. ओके, सो आउटलाइन L enter from this point, length will be 25. Same way this side also 25. और नीचे का ये लेंथ कितना था? ये लेंथ कितना था? 15. ओके, नाउ सिंपली आई कैन ज्वाइन दिस. इसको इधर से इधर ज्वाइन किया और इसको इधर से इधर ज्वाइन किया, एंड देन आई विल डिलीट दिस बिकॉज दिस आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, राइट? ये नहीं चाहिए, नीचे का नहीं चाहिए, ये वाला पोर्शन. हियर स्लॉट इज देयर, so I have removed this slot. Okay, then L enter, join this and join this. Okay, इतना पोर्शन बन गया. अभी और क्या दिखेगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड व्यू में? Here you can observe this length I can see ना. ये लेंथ कितना रहेगा? This length is how much? Total is how much? 60. Okay, instead of that simply I can take the projection also na from here. So I will select projection layer, L enter, and from here I will take a projection like this. See, I am moving ahead of this, I am not stopping here. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ पे नियरेस्ट पॉइंट लेता है ना, तो ऊपर नीचे क्लिक हो सकता है, उसके लिए मैं थोड़ा आगे जा रहा हूँ. एंड फ्रॉम हियर आई विल अगेन मूव इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन लाइक दिस. एंड दिस लेंथ इज देयर आई थिंक थ्रू आउट 35 विड्थ ही है ना, और वही विड्थ लेके आ रहा हूँ, तो मैं यहाँ से पूरा ऊपर तक लेके जाऊंगा इसको. सेम वे this also point I will take the projection like this, and from here I will move in upward direction. Okay, then select again outline, L enter, from this point I will join this, and from this point I will join this. Now see, in the side view, in between from here to here, if I show you the side view, see this is there. Right now I am drawing this portion. Now in case of this portion, if you observe this edge, this portion, this will be hidden in the side view. दिख रहा है ये hidden है? So that hidden edge I will draw. So select hidden layer, L enter, from this point to this point I am drawing the hidden line. Okay, then next part क्या रहेगा? I will take, see, if you see this part, यहाँ पे can you see the rectangle? ये वाला एक line दिख रहा है ना? This line is which line? This portion. And this line is which line? The top portion. So simply I have to take the projection from the front view. Okay, so see this, L enter, select projection layer. From here I will take a projection like this, and from this point also I will take a projection like this. Okay, then what I will do, simply select outline. See, exactly this line is visible, right? इधर से इधर ये line visible रहेगा, इधर से इधर ये line visible रहेगा. कौन सा दो line SolidWorks में देखो. See, in the right hand side view I am drawing this line and this line. Okay, so I have already taken the projection. So L enter, join this and join this. Then other than this और क्या बाकी रहेगा? ये जो सर्कल है इसका क्या आएगा? हिडन लाइन आएगा ना साइड व्यू में. इफ यू सी दिस होल इज नॉट विजिबल इन द साइड व्यू. सो फ्रॉम द फ्रंट व्यू आई विल टेक प्रोजेक्शन. सो अगेन आई विल सिलेक्ट प्रोजेक्शन लेयर, L enter, this point projection I will draw. Then see, ये नीचे है थोड़ा सा, this point projection I will draw, and then I will select hidden layer, L enter, this point to this point, hidden line, and then ये solid line के नीचे this will be again hidden. Okay, that whole part I have completed. Then other than this, if I show you the side view में you can see ये पूरा ऐसे rectangle बन रहा है, outer rectangle. So that portion also I can draw now. L enter, select outline, and from here पूरा ऊपर तक जाना है. Then this point to this point, and from here to this point. Okay, now if I hide the projection layer, we can check how much it is drawn. इतना हो गया. Now what is remaining? Rib is remaining, right? ये rib का projection यहाँ पे लेके आना है. Okay, now understand how to do that. Again, see, rib का bottom portion already I have taken the projection over here. Okay, and rib का इतना portion जो है ना, ये portion के पीछे जा रहा है, मतलब इधर तक rib hidden आ रहा है, so that also I have taken the projection. Now from this point to this point, that rib will be visible. So what I will do, L enter, change the layer to projection. I will take this tangent, now it is end point, and from here also I will take the projection like this. Now how I will draw the rib? What is the width of the rib? Rib कितना है? 10. So simply I can take over here 10, 5, 5 लेके, or else I can simply take the projection from here. So L enter, no need to take distance. I will take the projection line from here, and this also projection I will take from here, and then I will transfer the projection from this point to the rib bottom. Rib is over here, इधर तक आए. Same way rib का second point यहाँ से यहाँ तक लेके आए. Now automatically this distance will be 10 only. Is it clear? No need to take 10 again. Now from this point to this point, rib is hidden behind this. अगर आप लोग यहाँ से देखोगे, if you see from this side, that is right hand side, here you can observe this portion of the rib is hiding behind this. Okay, तो हम लोगों को क्या करना है? Simply L enter, I will select hidden layer, and from this point to this part of the, मतलब ये ऊपर तक, इधर तक hidden आएगा. Same way from this point till this point there will be hidden. Now here you can see the complexity. यहाँ पे hidden line नीचे, यहाँ पे ये hidden line ऊपर तक जा रहा है. Okay, then the top reference also I have drawn of the rib. So now I will select outline, L enter. From this point I will move in upward direction till this point, and from here also I will draw. Now you can observe again the rib is meeting with a curved path. तो क्या मिलेगा? Curve of intersection. So I have to draw it in anti-clockwise direction. यहाँ पे anti-clockwise बना है तो अंदर आएगा, तो ये नहीं draw करेंगे हम लोग, ये draw करेंगे because it is moving out. So I will select outline, arc में start center end, this is start center and ऊपर end है. Once this is drawn, use mirror, MI enter, select object, enter, select 2 points of the mirror line, click no, we can get this curve also. Okay, now once this curve is over, next what we can do, in the top view we have 4 hidden lines na throughout, that is remaining. कौन सा? ये देखो, if you consider this drawing, in this drawing this is one edge, this is second edge, this is third edge over here, and this is fourth edge. ये चारों edge का top view में, can you see these 4 hidden lines? So these 4 hidden lines I have to draw now. So from where I am going to take the projection? Side view. Okay, तो देखो कैसे करना है. So already I have these 4 points over here. Okay, so simply what I am going to do, L enter, select projection layer. First I am starting with from this point. तो इधर से हम लोग नीचे आए, and then इधर से we will move till here. This is first. Same way outside वाला ये, from here I will move till here, and then I will transfer this point over here. Now I can draw these 2 hidden lines. Simply I will select hidden layer, line, and from here I will draw one hidden line, and I will draw second hidden line over here. Okay, next कौन सा बाकी है? ये वाला inner 2 points है ना, ये 2 का hidden lines बाकी है. So I will select again which layer? Projection, line. From this point I will move in downward direction, and from here I will move towards left. Okay, same way from here also I will move in downward direction, and then from here I will move towards left till here. Is it clear? Okay, ये समझ रहे हैं ना आप लोगों को? Now अभी क्या करना है? Hidden line draw करना है. तो escape, select hidden layer, select line, and from here I will draw a hidden line throughout, and from this also I will draw a hidden line throughout. Okay, now we can check. In front view I have 1, 2, 3 hidden line. In top view 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this portion is also hidden na, in top view. I had explained you why. Because if you see this drawing, in between the rib there is no line, but if I show you the bottom side, this edge in the top view, that part will be hidden. तो इसके बीच में hidden line आएगा. So simply what I will do, TR double enter, trim this portion, and then select hidden layer, line, and from here I will draw a line. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, all 8 lines are completed. Then over here 1 2 of these holes, then rib 3 4 and 5. Next, one more thing is remaining. Can anyone tell me what is that? See, this hole we have already drawn, but this hole is also there, na? This hole will not be visible in right hand side. It is hidden. So what I will do now, next, already I have taken projection line of this one. So from here I will move down. But कितना उसका dimension रहेगा? That dimension no need to draw again. Simply I will take the projection from this view. तो ये view से क्या करना है? I will select the projection layer, L enter. This circle I will take the projection, and from here I will move upward direction. अभी ये किधर तक आना है? ये इधर तक आना है. Why till here? Because here you can see ये होल जो है वो इधर तक है ना, इसके लिए ये प्रोजेक्शन तक आए हम लोग. ठीक है. देन सेम वे ये पॉइंट से इधर प्रोजेक्शन और इधर से ऊपर जाएगा till here, and then here you can observe this is the height of the hole ना. ये जो होल का हाइट है ये देखो इधर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, उसके लिए हम लोग प्रोजेक्शन लाइन इधर तक लेके आए थे, ये नीचे से. एंड देन होल एंड कहाँ पे हो रहा है? ये प्रोजेक्शन लाइन तक. सो फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर आई विल ड्रॉ हिडन लाइन, एंड फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर आई विल ड्रॉ द हिडन लाइन. सो आई विल गो टू हिडन लेयर, लाइन, फ्रॉम हियर आई विल स्टार्ट एंड ड्रॉ द हिडन लाइन टिल हियर, एंड सेम वे यहाँ से स्टार्ट करके यहाँ तक हिडन लाइन. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ आई टर्न ऑफ द प्रोजेक्शन लेयर so that we can reveal the diagram. Okay, this is front view, this is top view, and this is right hand side view. What is remaining now? Dimensions. Dimensions you can give. Okay, all the dimensions should be given. Over dimensioning should not be there. Is it clear?